All right, first up with clothing is try to avoid wearing green. The reason is a lot of studios today have what they call green screen. Now today I have behind me white plantation shutters, so that's not an issue. But most studios use what's called a green screen so that they can drop in the image behind you. And even if you have a little bit of green on a tie, it still drops out. So check with your producer or director if they're using a green screen or not. The second thing is, I believe, never wear stripes. No matter how good the camera equipment is, if the stripes are small, they strobe on camera and they strobe on playback. So avoid stripes at all times. And the other thing just to be careful of is white. Often in studios you've got lights above you and lights coming in from the side, and that can bounce too much light into your face and cause reflections in the camera lens. But of course, check with your director first because white does look clean and crisp on camera. So what should you wear on camera? Well, my suggestion is color. I believe large flat areas of the one color look really good on camera. And the reason is TV is a color medium. And therefore, wearing bright colors or good colors on camera makes you look better and makes the screen look more interesting. And finally, take a selection of shirts and blouses into your shoot day so that your director or producer can choose actually what they like for each segment. Well, that's the wrap up on what to wear on the day. Avoid green, never use stripes, and check if you can use white. And finally, take in a variety of shirts and blouses so that your director can choose what they really want to use. Now, what's your homework for this week? It's very simple. I just want you to watch television for a little while and see what other professional presenters are wearing on camera. And for women particularly, I want you to notice that whenever you see a woman with a V-neck, she'll always be wearing an attractive necklace inside that area to make her top chest area look more attractive. And once you've noticed that, I want you to go shopping with a friend and get them to pick out a couple of new outfits for you that suit your skin tone.